Hello everyone, it's Sunday today and I'm here with my cat, Nia. She is a Siamese cat and she's about 13 years old. So roughly she's about around 60 plus or 70 plus in human years. So anyway, I just like to tell you a story about bananas that coincide with banana trees that coincide with coffee trees because I've seen a lot of data and stories about some farmers, not just coffee trees but other essential trees. Um, while your coffee trees are still young or still a seedling, the farmers have to have a secondary revenue stream. Now, the beauty of banana trees, when you have plant banana trees, in less than a year, you could harvest already. And by the way, banana trees is not just the fruit. You could also earn from the trunk. They also have a heart, which you also make money. You can make mushrooms out of the trunk, and you have banana leaves too, and so on and so forth. Now, if you are a coffee farmer anywhere in the world, well, in coffee producing countries, sorry, um, and this is, I think, mostly in lowland areas. I suggest that you plant your coffee seedlings, and then while waiting for your coffee seedlings to grow, you can plant banana trees. Now, your banana trees will serve as a canopy to protect your coffee seedlings from the heat of the sun. Okay? And also from the downpour of rain. Now, the beauty of banana trees is you could earn from your banana and you can make a killing out of it if you plant a lot. Just make sure that you give enough space for your coffee trees, and your main goal is coffee trees, not banana. Make sure of that. That if you are a coffee farmer, make sure that your focus is coffee, not banana. Banana is just a supplementary. Okay? Now, for farmers who's interested to know more about that, give me a call and we'll talk. I love to help. Okay? So, yeah, coffee trees with banana trees is such a wonderful combination.